So I've got a little project today. I've got some parts here, a switch, and three 3.5mm jacks, and a little project box. It goes on there like that. The issue I'm having is when I run FT8 digital mode through my TS-520, the speaker port, speaker out on the back of the radio is back there on the back of the radio, and it makes it difficult to switch between FT8 and the speaker right there. I have to unplug and plug in the Verifilter and reach around the back of the radio and stuff. So today I'll be putting together a switch box with a switch 3 position off on off on off on to be able to switch between the speaker and the digital out for FT8. Alright, we've done a little bit of construction work on our speaker switch. I'm doing a little testing before I solder everything together. So this is not a permanent mount, I just set it up here so we could kind of work on it a little bit. I've got the switch installed. I've got my red leads, or my audio leads, here. This green wire is coming from the radio out, speaker out. And then this blue cable goes down to my converter box, which runs to the laptop. So that'll be for digital modes. And then this black wire here goes over to the speaker setup. So what I should get is basically nothing in the middle, which is correct. If I go over here, I should hear the radio speaker. This is FT8. Yep. That's what FT8 sounds like. Now if I go here, I should have nothing. If I go over one click, I should have an FT8 waterfall and get a reading over here, which I do. You can see the signal strength coming in here. I can turn down the audio output and bring that down a little bit lower, below 60. My waterfall showing signs of life on 40 meters today. Looking pretty good. I've got some decoding going on up here, so it looks like FT8 is working. Nice signals on 40 meters. So next time I want to switch back over to voice mode, or sometimes I need to play with a VFO a little bit to get FT8 to come to be a little bit more, or another digital mode. I want to tune it in, I want to be able to hear it. So I can go over here, turn it up just a little. There we go. Okay. So I'll solder this all into the box and show you the finished product. A little shot before I close it up. Switch in the front. Wired into the little kit box here. Connector plugs in the back. Could have been a little bit more even with the drilling job I did, but not too bad. So we've got, this will be the in from the radio out to one of the, either to the speaker or to the computer. Like that. Not too bad. Put the lid on it. Hook it up and test it out. We've got it just laying up here on top of the radio for now. Wire in from the radio. The blue wire goes out to the computer, and the black wire goes out to my speaker. This is a potentiometer with a little battery that helps me lower the output of the radio, so just ignore that for now. We're just concerned about speaker. So let's turn the radio up a little bit here and see if we get sound. That's good. That's FT8 coming through there. Off. And let's try turning it over to the computer. And we'll put WSJTX on monitor. And we should see a signal come in. Yes, we do. It's a little hot. I'm going to turn it down. I want to get that below, well, right between 40 and 60 is pretty good. Yeah, we got stuff on the waterfall. Beautiful. It should start decoding here once it gets its first couple of passes in. There's the progress bar every 15 seconds. Hopefully we get some decoding. I haven't reset the clock today on the computer, so it could be off a little bit. But if all goes well, we'll get some... Oh yeah, there we go. Now we're decoding. Beautiful. So it works. We now have a switch. We just have to figure out where to put it. So we can go between computer and speaker. Alright, thanks for watching.